Okay, we're live, everybody. Sweet. Welcome to the party.
I'm here.
Jason. Okay. Good day, good day. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Who do we have here? Jacob's busy today. This is everybody who's important. Everyone who is important in this company is right here on the camera. And no one else.
Right here. No,
too late. Okay, so welcome. Let's go ahead and get this shindigger started. Johnny B.
I have undertaken a monumental refactor today to solve a slow loading problem. So that's what I'm doing. It's pretty much an entire refactor of the lesson player VC. So it's a big one, but it's going to solve a pretty big problem. So just working on that.
Good.
Cool.
That's really important. I wanted to die when the app took 30 seconds to load today on a first install. So don't kill me, Johnny.
Well, that's Jacob's. That's Jacob's. Mine is when you click on a lesson and it takes forever to start.
Well, whatever. Who cares about that?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Jack.
Yeah, so I've been going through our API code and been talking to Jacob some, and we're just trying to figure out how to make the authentication work with the Windows app. It's probably going to be a pretty big hurdle, so I'm going to be on this for a little while, but we'll figure it out because we've got the anonymous auth thing to figure out.
Yeah.
With Windows. So
Jack, first off, we've talked in the past about this, at least me and Jacob. The code is poorly written. It works, but it's poorly written. And it's very highly coupled. It needs to be decoupled. And so he said he's going to go in and refactor all of that. And as for anonymous login, I don't know about you, Evan, but I don't care if it's not in Windows. We did the feature because Apple forced us to, but I'd be okay not having anonymous login on the Windows app where you just have to basically create an account to use it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So, but we should refactor.
I mean, one suggestion I had, or one workaround possibly, was to have another set of endpoints just to be able to get a list of slopes, courses, and things like that with like the preview video and the graphics.
Versus
Does
what?
that make sense? Well, right now they're all locked down because it's the complete course.
Oh, it shouldn't be. We're using it on our website. We've got courses on our website without any authentication.
I think Jacob had to do something there to get that to work, because if you look in the API, all those endpoints have authenticate in them.
We have there's a new endpoint for courses.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll look into it some more.
Okay.
But that was one thought, was to have just endpoints where you could pull down the static data without actually getting access to the courses.
Correct. Yeah, we have that. Our website.
Okay. 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 Maybe Jacob didn't understand what I was talking about then.
Well, Jacob does that a lot. You have to say it like, Jacob, do you understand what I'm saying? And then he'll probably get it.
Anyway, yeah, we'll figure it out. It's just going to take a little bit of time to get things working there. So.
All right. Okay. Okay. So anything else with Windows coming along? You've been talking about authentication. You can't get anything because it's locked down. And so, okay. So then once that's solved, you'll be able to keep trucking forward on that.
Yeah, it ought to move pretty quick. I've actually, I can spin up the API locally and take the authentication stuff out and
oh, that makes sense.
Pull data, play videos, and all that. So
great.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
I think the authentication part's probably going to be the biggest hurdle. Once we get past that, I can see it being done pretty quick. So
yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Sounds good. Cool, Jack. Very good stuff. Caleb.
Hey guys, so today I just continue to chip away at the RX Swift app I'm building to go alongside the course. Just kind of chipping away at building out some of the features, and I also did some social media stuff on Instagram. Stories, I posted some people's stories, and that's about it.
It's good.
Nice.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. All right. Evan.
What's up, everybody? So today I did a bunch of design stuff. Let's see. We made a bunch of images for the email blast, Mac course image, a lot of other just like random miscellaneous things, and but it's all good. And so it was a design heavy day. Also had a really good call with Nathan. Welcome aboard. We're really excited to have you. So just kind of getting him caught up to speed on all our processes, things like that. And then just a little bit of growth stuff. Good news. Shout out to Highbrow for posting our course. We have a 10-day email course coming out. Started today. And yeah, it's going to go out to 300,000 people. So that's exciting. Got some other things going. So yeah, that was my day.
That's awesome.
Yeah, nice. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. So here's Nathan. He's here in California, and he's working with us. And so go ahead, Nathan.
Yeah, like Evan said, we had a call with Evan and Jacob, Mark, and just kind of getting me up to speed on what everything is, what we use, the Trello boards and everything. We're putting together just kind of a list of priorities for me that I can just work on constantly. And then in the meantime, I worked on some constraint issues and some of the bugs in the Devslopes TV section. And then I've also been working, like, I know it's not the main priority now, but just anytime I've been trying to get functionality into the lock screen player controls. So if you're doing the audio only, you could just, next track, play, pause from the lock screen. So I picked at that, but it's not ready. So that was my day.
Pretty sweet.
Cool. Good stuff, man.
Jason? Okay, so go ahead, buddy.
So I pulled another what I did the day before. I worked till 6 a.m. this morning. So another 20 hours. It was pretty sweet. But hey, great news is the SAS section is done. Everything is edited. It's uploaded in Dropbox. It's on Udemy. It's actually live on Udemy now. It's published with all the source code and the assets. And we sent out an announcement on Udemy about it as well. So really cool stuff. And then Evan created a freaking sweet new outro to our Devslopes videos. And Evan, I went ahead and before you did that, I created an intro one that doesn't have the call to action with the rock thing, and it sounds freaking sick. So yeah, those are in Dropbox. So put those in your video. They're freaking cool. And then I just updated the Mac image in our app and took care of emails. And that was it. Amen.
Thanks, man. Good work.
Really? Okay. Jacob said he helped us out with our 30-second loading bug. He's nearly finished or is finished with it. He's cleaning up some other things, but when we introduced Realm, the loading times became longer, and so he's gone in refactored and made it mo beta, which I'm very happy about. Just first time load in most cases. So cool stuff. iOS 11 course is just underway every single day. New content. It's amazing. Coming out July 24th. Get it in the Devslopes apps. It's just going to be phenomenal. And so that's underway. And as Jason said, in the Devslopes apps, is that new web course in there, SAS stuff in there yet?
No.
Okay.
So that will be in there by tomorrow.
Okay. So all the new section for the web course will be in tomorrow, which would be really cool. SAS stuff. So
maybe even tonight.
Maybe even tonight if he decides to stay up to 6 a.m. So
Adderall.
So anyway, that's there. That's good. Lots of good things
Sorry,
happening.
I just want to say one thing. Like a couple months ago, you would have said, "Oh yeah, it'll probably be uploaded in like 3 weeks." So shout out to the admin app. You guys rocked it. Now we can upload stuff in a day.
Yeah,
Less than a day if Jason takes Adderall.
in 30 minutes to an hour on Adderall. Like, no question. Anyways.
Okay. So, good stuff. That's really good stuff, guys. That's all we got. Oh, next Wednesday, we're going to have another Code War of a sort, a little hackathon. More details to come, but it's going to be Johnny versus Jacob versus me building an iOS app in 20 minutes or so, and who has the best app, and it's going to be live streamed. And so we're going to watch Johnny sweat. He thought he took home the trophy last week, but next week he's going up against the ultimate contender, so which would be me, of course. And so
Bring it on.
look at him.
Awesome.
Confident. It's good. All right.
I will also be monitoring bets from the community if anyone wants to wager.
Awesome. Cool, guys. That's it. That's the show.
Oh,
we're done.
Mac app's featured. That's news.
Oh, that was cool.
Yeah,
Mac app.
Yeah.
Got featured today on the Mac app, on the Mac store. Apps that we love. It said they love us. They said they love us.
Excited to see the download numbers tomorrow for today.
Yeah. It probably is like 10. That's the Mac app store for you. They love us. There's 10 downloads for you.
You feel the love. Also,
Yeah.
I forgot one more thing. We are looking into integrating Instagram hashtag posts and videos into maybe some contests on the website, so you guys could post your apps, post what you're working on, post what you've been doing, hashtag a certain thing, and then you'll show up on our website. So we just started working on that today, and that'll be really cool.
That's sick.
How many times? Okay, let's do some wagers. How many times did Jason say sick and frickin' in this phone call?
I haven't said frickin', but I probably said sick.
You said freaking like 3 times.
I'm gonna say 4.
The internet is forever, Jason.
I'm gonna have to watch this video again. I don't remember.
Anything else? Anything else?
Nope.
All right. Let's go do some stuff.
Later.
See you guys.
Peace.